Welcome back to the Motorhome, where we explore the wildest motorhomes and expedition rigs on planet Earth. Today we are rolling deep into the desert with a full-on, battle-ready 6x6 expedition truck built to crush any terrain and live like a king in the middle of nowhere. This is not just a ride, it is a fortress on wheels, a home, a tank, and a dream, all in one. This rig right here looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. The matte green body, the steel frame, and the monster stance tell you one thing only. This thing means business. It is built on a Scania heavy-duty platform made for extreme adventure and off-grid living. You can take it across deserts, up mountains, or through mud, and it will not even blink. Let us talk about those massive wheels first. Each wheel is built for real off-road survival with deep tread tires that bite into sand, mud, and snow. The suspension system is fully independent, giving the truck a smooth ride even when the terrain goes wild. It has air pressure control so you can lower the tire pressure while driving on soft ground and raise it back when you hit solid surfaces. This is the kind of tech you only see on high-end expedition machines, and this beast owns it. Now under that huge hood sits a turbo diesel engine that delivers raw torque and serious horsepower. It is not about speed here, it is about power, control, and endurance. This engine can run for hours, non-stop pushing this heavy rig through any landscape you throw at it. The fuel tanks are huge, giving you the freedom to drive hundreds of miles off-grid without worrying about gas stations. Step inside and the first thing that hits you is the driver room. It feels more like a cockpit from a futuristic aircraft than a truck. You get full digital displays, navigation cameras, and heating systems that keep everything cozy, even in freezing temperatures. The seats are fully adjustable and made from premium leather, giving both driver and co-driver ultimate comfort. You feel like the king of the road when you are sitting behind that wheel. Now we move inside to what makes the Motorhome world famous, the living area. The design is sleek, modern, and super functional. The bedroom comes first. It features a large double bed with soft bedding, LED ambient lights, and full sound insulation. You can look out from the panoramic side windows and see the open desert sky as you fall asleep. This setup gives you total peace and quiet even when storms rage outside. Next up is the kitchen area, and it is nothing short of amazing. It has a built-in induction stove, microwave, sink, and fridge, all powered by a massive solar energy system on the roof. You can cook full meals out here without needing any generator or gas. There is storage for food utensils and everything you need for weeks off-grid. It is like having your own studio apartment in the middle of nowhere. Across from the kitchen is the lounge zone with a soft L-shaped couch and a foldable table that doubles as a work or dining area. You can chill, watch movies, or edit travel videos right there while the truck keeps you safe and powered. Every inch of the interior is designed for maximum efficiency without wasting space. Now let us get into the power system because this is where things get really interesting. The movable home always features vehicles that can live off-grid for weeks, and this one takes it to the next level. It is equipped with solar panels that feed into a lithium battery bank, running lights, fans, heating, air conditioning, and kitchen gear without any external power. You also get a backup inverter and shore power connection in case you ever camp at a powered site. Basically, you can live anywhere on the planet and still have electricity, water, and comfort. The truck has a complete water filtration system with fresh and gray water tanks, so you can shower, cook, and clean without worrying about supply. There is also a bathroom inside with a shower, toilet, and compact sink, all perfectly fitted to keep things clean and simple. Even after long off-grid trips, you can stay totally self-sufficient. The body is fully armored with military-grade aluminum composite panels that can handle rough impacts and extreme weather. It is insulated from inside so the heat stays out in deserts and the cold stays out in snow. Every window is double layered and the door seals tight like an aircraft hatch. Now let us talk about what makes this machine worth its price. We are talking somewhere between $700,000 and $900,000 depending on the custom features. Yeah, it is expensive, but remember you are getting a home, a truck, and a fortress all in one. And trust me, when you see this thing in real life, it looks worth every penny. Imagine driving this beast across the dunes with the sun going down behind you. No cities, no noise, no crowds, just you and endless freedom. That is the life the movable home stands for. And that is why these builds inspire millions of adventure lovers across the world. So, if you had the keys to this monster rig, where would you go first? Would you take it into the Sahara, or drive through Alaska, or maybe live off-grid on the salt flats? Drop your dream destination in the comments below, and tell us where you are watching this video from. Are you tuning in from New York, California, Texas, Florida, or somewhere across the world? Type your country or city down in the comments so we can see how far the movable home family reaches. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Movable Home, and join our journey as we explore the world's most extreme expedition vehicles. Stay free, stay wild, and keep moving because the road never ends.